Alright, please. Also, I was going to buy this. So there's between this and this. This is 80% cotton, 20% polyester. Well, this feeling better than the ones because this quality feeling real good. But I don't want to buy nothing if my seamstress, who is my mother, not answering she phone. And there's Dinisha. I don't know. You don't know. So we going and see. We going. So I will leave this and come back for it. Because no mother answering she phone. They seem to have nice stuff and things there, like appliances and things. But like this though. This copper thing. This copper thing nice.
That's nice. What I call?
That is the toilet paper.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nice.
To put your toilet paper in, but I really like the copper color.
Yeah, I like this wood thing too.
What is that? Oh, your toilet seat.
Wood.
We need one, you know. But I don't know if we should buy the wood. 150, it isn't bad. We don't need this because we have something like this. But this copper color is doing it for me right now, Dan.
Nice, eh?
Jesus Christ.
This are nice.
$200.
White wall paint.
Yes, or grey or something.
Grey.
This really friggin' pretty. I really like this. Yeah, guys, today's day 4. I know buy time buy a SIM card.
Yeah, we could do it.
I was now inside here. Asking this guy about our phone because I really need our phone. Oh, there's the Galaxy. But there's the 7, the Galaxy. The 7, yeah. Keep talking. Well, they are so. Yesterday, because I didn't want to put on the do the front camera because I know the front camera is poor. But whole day I saw yesterday vlogging. So we went back to the car. It's yesterday. Last night thing talking about what the pastor talking about? Pastor talking about people who always every Christmas. As they coming out, they're putting it on, they're putting on the currents, they're putting on the lights, the whole place. Watch that. So when by the time you're ready to use it and put it in your house, it lasts the exact time Christmas and the rest time it take good. People happy, yeah? Yeah. All of them will go back in this car. What it is?
Galaxy Prime.
The Prime. Alright, so there's the phone.
It's something like this.
Something like this I'm going to buy, guys, because I had a Note 3. I had a Note 3 and I'm going to buy what I'm buy?
J7.
A J7 6 or just a J7 because it is reasonable price. And the front camera on I feel like the back camera, you know. That is 10
and
because I need a good camera with regards to vlogging and stuff, and also just to have a good
next
phone
to my friend have the camera.
Best.
Put you on our phone back.
I really need a good camera because I need a although I'm going to buy a camera itself and just use that for vlogging, so I wouldn't be using up the space in my phone itself.
From she camera, she sent for me. Just all these pictures is from she camera.
Yes.
Camera really clean.
That clean.
That was last year Christmas.
Alright.
She camera.
Nice. They're real clean.
Yeah.
So all I feel like we're not. Alright people. So I can buy this grocery because I just need milk. That's all I need. All the closing up?
That's my jacket.
All the closing?
Yeah.
I just want milk. Morning time. I just looking for milk or milk. Like a milk, and I don't seen anything like what the hell? Liquid milk. Like I seen liquid milk. Let's buy this. That's all I need. And I'm out. So I got what I wanted. Walking back to the car. Funny people here. You're gonna cut the old man head. Next to me. Alright, so coming our next grocery because I came for eggs. I forgot to buy eggs. But them eggs on them. Them eggs on them. I don't know. I really don't know now. Watching DK for this is videos, just catching up on some of my YouTube stuff because I have been lacking watching YouTube. So I'm just watching that. I really like this couple a lot. I just finished watching Latoya's life, and yeah. Okay guys, I know it's a little dark, but like mom cooked. I think this is a shepherd's pie, corn pie, tamale pie. I think this is tamale, not corn. My favorite dish with some fried rice. The chicken bobalin. What? Oh, well, if I never eat at Trinidad Sunday lunch, I know what I'm talking about. Alright, excited about this lunch apparently. I think there's red beans. I really like pink beans, but yeah, whatever. And oh yeah, there's the rice. So that is what dilemma. I'm sweating buckets, rain falling, this dog barking, waiting on my friend. Heading to the beach. All I watch is dog. This dog just leave me and go on by other people. Like, this is how you just get this own. Hey! He did it, he played with the girl. Hey, come on. She get accustomed. This dog just leaving me for people. But it's a really nice day at the beach. And I think I will end the vlog here. Hope everyone have a wonderful day until tomorrow. So we are going home. Mr. Man in the back there saw me because he fell up make noise. Look at me in the corner there. I'm pelting sorry. Yeah, so we're getting ready to go. And now see how the end the vlog.
The small one.
This is the small one. What you want to do? Wipe your hand?
Oh, right, go ahead.
Alright, so we looking to leave. Move this from here.
Oh yeah, I forgot this.
Because here we have to control the systems. So we're getting ready to go. So we are leaving.